Hi everyone, this is Melissa from Mo Creations coming on today with a My Creative Time Design Team project share. And today I am using the butterfly stamp and dies, just the stamp and dies. I am using Thinking of You along with the dies. The coffee frame and charm dies, I am just using this die and this one. Fairy Stampin' Dies, I'm using this one here. Mini layered bow dies, and I'm using this and this. And then the Prem Hearts background embossing folder, love that. Such a cute embossing folder. And I'm also using the cue card base dies and the paper that she recently released. I am using the Spring Watercolors 2025 and I'm using yellow from there. And here goes my card. I decided to make it into a top folding card. So I created that myself, but I did use her cute card base layer dies there. And then this is that coffee frame die along with that mini bow die, and then that cute adorable little fairy. And it says Thinking of You along with that embossing folder, just absolutely adorable. I did ink up some of the colors and use some Copics on her hair, and I also added a little bit of glossy accents on the flowers there. And then this came from the fairy die. I forgot to actually put the little leaf on her collar, so I used it on the bow, and I thought it turned out really cute. And I added a flower in there along with those little gems that I decorated it with. But love that paper in the background, it's so pretty. The green came from paper in my stash, so I just kind of matched it up with what I was working with, as far as there's a little hint of green in the flowers, so I wanted to kind of bring that out. But I thought it was so cute. There goes the inside, and like I said, I did make it into a top folding card, so it actually measures 3 1/4 by 5 1/2. So I thought this turned out adorable. So I will leave My Creative Time link to the store, so if you'd like to go over and purchase some of these goodies, you may do so. You can use my code MOE for 10% off your total purchase, or 15% off on release weekends. You can use either one of my design team sisters codes as well. Those will be down below. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much everyone for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.